this point, I tried for like 3 years on social media to be famous, and it did not work out for me. And then I was like, well, how can I just help people? If people pay me to help them, I guess I'll be way richer than I will be trying to influence people, just helping them. So if I help people and they start to get help and tell other people I help them, then that's true influence. And so people always start with influence first. I'm going to give you this advice. You're going to do it. And then you do that advice, and then I'll be an influencer. I'm going to tell you how cool my life is. I'm going to tell you about these clothes I'm rocking. I'm going to get... But they never realize that even the people who are comedy, who make jokes and they crack and stuff like that, they're really making people laugh. And when people laugh, that is helping them, because laughter is hard to come by. Genuine laughter is hard to come by. A great smile, a good laugh is hard to come by. So to me, that's value. When people are like, oh, he's just funny. I'm like, when's the last time you laughed really good? You know? And when you think about that last laugh, that gut-wrenching laugh, or that fun time you had with somebody, and I would say that's how our relationship was built, off of laughter.
Yeah.
We're like, yo, low-key, we laughed like a few times, and I was like, yeah, I haven't laughed in a minute like this. Like, I got a little guts that woke up the next day, like, did I do some sit-ups? No, I just had a really good time. I enjoyed myself. I got to laugh. And so it's
You're
like...
really funny. Like,
sometimes.
Just genuinely.
Sometimes.
Well, sometimes
Depends.
you're an asshole.
That's what I'm saying. It's really, to you, I was funny. To other people, they're like, you're a little bit of much. But I realized that that's part of who I am.